Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that women-led development approach is the most effective way of women's empowerment. Addressing the inaugural session of the G20 Ministerial meeting of women's empowerment in Gandhinagar, he called for removing barriers that restrict growth of women. Modi stressed the need for a level playing field for women in all sectors. The Prime Minister recalled the role contribution of women in the cooperative sector, especially in dairying.
Way to empower women is through a women-led development approach. India is making strides in this direction. India's President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, sets an inspiring example herself. She comes from a humble tribal background, but now leads the world's largest democracy and serves as the commander-in-chief of the world's second largest defense force.